we can use cubes in order to help us solve number stories. C stands for circle the numbers. U stands for underline the question. B stands for box the keywords. E stands for evaluate. What steps do I take? And S stands for solve and check. Let's do one together. Every month, Mrs. Carpel pays her cell phone bill. If she spends $14 per month, how much money does she spend in half a year? Remember, our first step is C, circle the numbers. Okay? Well, we see that there's the number 14. However, what's the other number? We need to remember that there are 12 months in a year. So, if she spends $14 for half a year would be 6 months. So, I circled 14 and 6. Now, the next part is it says underline the question. So the question is, how much money does she spend in half a year? So I underline that. Then we have B, box the key words. Well, I put a box around every for every month and per for per month because every month I spend the same amount on my cell phone. So every month would mean that I would need to repeat that same number. Now, am I making a larger number than 14? Or am I separating the 14? Well, every month I pay $14, so it's got to get bigger. So I'm going to have to multiply 14 times 6. But if I haven't memorized that, I could use the break apart method in order to solve it. So I can break up 14 into 10 and 4. 10 times 6 is 60, and 4 times 6 equals 24. Then I add them together. 60 plus 24 equals $84. So that last step was solving. And then I can check it by saying, okay, what is $84 divided by 14? And I would end up getting $84 divided by 14, I would end up getting 6. So let's do another one together. 99 bags of cat food are lined up in Mrs. Shalev's garage. If they are placed in equal rows, how many bags of cat food are in each row? So step 1 is circle the numbers. So the numbers here are 99 and 11. The next step is underline the question. The question that I underline is how many bags of cat food are in each row? Next step is B, box the key words. So the key words is equal because we're talking about the same number of bags in each row. Same number of bags in each row. So, next step is E for evaluate. What steps do I take? So if we're taking 99 bags and we're separating them into 11 equal rows, am I going to combine and make larger than 99? Or am I going to separate them and make them smaller? Or I'm going to separate, so I need to divide. So 99 divided by 11 equals blank. Well, what if you don't know the answer? You can use multiplication to help you. Well, 11 times 9 is 99. And so we know that our answer to 99 divided by 11 equals blank is 9. And we're talking about bags. How many bags? 9 bags. So there you have it. Always use your cubes.